So, what is a royal cubit? A royal cubit is 20.6 inches or around 21 inches. It is stated here, it's referenced in the book of Ezekiel, chapter 40, verse 5. So, let's take a look. And behold, there was a wall all around the outside of the temple, and the length of the measuring reed in the man's hand was 6 long cubits. So there's a measuring reed, 6 long cubits, each being cubit and a handbreadth. So six long. So each of the cubit in the measuring reed is 1 cubit and a handbreadth. And we know a cubit, like what we have discussed in the past, was 18 inches, right? And a handbreadth, which is 3 inches. So a royal cubit is approximately 18 plus 3, that's around 21 inches. And yeah, it's quite interesting because the Bible, they have this cubit, they have this royal cubit, and they have this handbreadth. That's the measurement they were using. But now we're using like meters, centimeters, feet, inches, right? So I hope you learned something today. And if you learned something today, please feel free to share. It would help us a lot. Thank you so much. Have a great day.